down and like uninspired. This is better. But I was kind of feeling like down and uninspired, doing some like inspo research. Got so much inspiration last night. I stayed up super late. I really just want to shoot today. The only problem is that it's supposed to like rain and storm going to LA next week, and I want to get like as much stuff and inspo like out there as I can. But that is what I'm doing today. Right now I'm on the way to Kroger to get some flowers. Hopefully we can shoot. I just woke up. It's so early. It's like 8:20. But yeah, so I thought I would film and show you guys, kind of like just come along with me. So let's go get some flowers. Flowers have been bagged. This is what we got. I'm gonna like try to put them together, obviously, and make like a really pretty fall bouquet, but $50 to flowers later. Okay, hi, we're in the car. I just got to our shoot location. It is literally about to storm so bad. I don't know why this always happens like right when I pull up. It wants to downpour. We're gonna probably still shoot and whatever. I got our flowers. Also brought like this little pumpkin. Let me show you guys our location. I literally feel like I could get like kidnapped here right now. Also just came from the gym, so that's why I look like this. Usually I'm not dressed like a slore. Okay. I'm still in my car, but this is the location. I was going for like just like a long wound like kind of road or whatever. So yeah, let's see what we can create. That's cute. Oh, I love pink. Stop. That is amazing.
Oh my god. I hope we don't get stuck by that.
Oh, I hope not either. Okay. Okay, Jen. For real. You're so cute.
We're at a shoot.
Go to car.
It's raining, and we got flowers.
I love it. She made the flowers.
Yeah, she made it. She's a florist and a photographer. Book with Jen.
Fuck with Jen.
I forgot to do like an outro, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. But I just got home. It started absolutely pouring, as you can see. That like last clip where the lightning hit, I just took off. I ran. I was like, no. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. Thank you guys for tagging along. Sorry this was kind of crazy, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you want to see, and I hope everyone has a great week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I look disgusting, but whatever. Bye guys.